Welcome inside one of the world's most advanced sportswear factories, where thousands of Argentina-inspired football shirts
Make sure the tension is right on the black rolls.
Looks good from here. We're clear to accept the shipment.
The moisture-wicking properties are exceptional on this batch.
And the color fastness meets the premium standard.
Check the color saturation on the sky blue batch.
Looks consistent. The temperature controls are holding steady.
The stress test results are finalized. Look at the elasticity recovery.
It's performing exactly as modeled. The data confirms a pass. There it goes. Look at the elasticity readout. 350 newtons. That's a significant improvement on the bias cut. I think the gradient on the sleeve needs to be smoother here.
Agreed.
And perhaps increase the luminescence on the emblem.
How about we enhance the gold accents around the emblem?
Good idea. Let's see how that integrates with the stripes. Check the alignment on the back panel graphic. It's shifting slightly.
Yes, I see it. The cuff measurement looks good, though. The sleeve articulation here seems off by a few millimeters.
I see it. Adjusting the cuff gradient now, that improves the fit simulation.
Much better. Sign off on version 12.
See how the precision system adjusted the tension here.
Yes, the data on the tablet shows a 20% improvement in consistency.
The kinetic resistance held steady during the dynamic phase. Excellent. The breathability index confirms optimal ventilation. The breathability and flexibility metrics are exceeding expectations.
Durability is solid too. This design is ready for production. We need 3 more pallets of the sky blue jerseys for this truck.
Roger that. The robot is bringing the last 2 now.